It's nice to see you again in this video. And in case you didn't watch my previous video when we are installing our Active Directory, you can tap on the link in the description. You'll be able to see that. But now I'm going to be showing you how we can create up users on our server. So you can go on and open up your server manager. We are going to have something like this in our Windows Server 2025. To create up users, we are going to come this side. I want you to tap on Tools. Now, here you are going to look for Active Directory users and computers. So if you go on and tap on that, we are going to receive a pop-up. Now on this pop-up, you see that here we do have our DC that we worked on in our installation. So I'm going to go on and expand this. You see that here we have computers and we have also users. So if we tap on users, you see that we have here groups and we also have users among this, because when you try to see, we have a type user and we also have our groups. So this is what I want to do. Normally, I can go on and create up an organizational unity for groups so that I separate the groups and the users. So I can just go on and tap on this, right click, then I can come here to new, then I come here to organizational units. So here I'm going to just call this one groups and press OK. You see that here now I have another OU for our groups. So I'm going to tap here on users. Now I'm going to get all of these that do follow under groups, and I'm going to drag and drop them to this folder for groups, and I'm going to tap yes here. Again, I'm going to select the remaining ones, drag and drop them to the OU for groups, do yes, and I'm remaining with only one, which is that one, and I do yes. So you see that here we only have the users among this. So here we are going to just go on and tap on our users, right click, come to your new, and you come to users. So this is where you can go on and you add your users to your Windows server. This is where you can just provide the names to your users. So let's go on and we say Peter, and I'm going to provide the last name to be Parker, Peter Parker, that is just Spider-Man. So if we come here to our logo name, I'm going to just use P, let me just use a capital P dot Parker, p.parker at greenet.local. So that will be the user and this will be the logo name. Perhaps I can even put them in the same casing. Let me just use lowercase. So I'm going to go on and tap next. It will go on and ask me for the password. So for my password, I'm going to use p at then sswrd exclamation mark. I'm going to use the same thing, capital P at ss word exclamation mark, and here we have these options here. So we need our user now to change the password. Going to tap next. Going to put here a user cannot change the password, and also our password never expires. So I'm going to also tap next. If they said that the passwords don't match, going to use a capital P at ss word exclamation mark. We come to our capital P at ss word exclamation mark. Tap next. Our password is okay, and I'm going to do finish. So you see here we have another user called Peter Parker has been created on our server, and we do have the guest user here, but when you look at our guest, we do have this icon here, which means that user is deactivated. So if you want to create another user, you can follow the same steps. Just right click and come to our new. Again, you tap on user, and let's call this one Tom Cruise. And if we come to our logo name, I'm going to use t.cruise, and I'm going to tap next. So if we come here, I'm going to use the same password, which is p at ss word exclamation mark capital P at SS word exclamation mark. I'm going to remove this and put a tick on this, tap next, finish. So we see here we have created our 2 users. Now let me first come back here to my VirtualBox. This is the server. I'm going to tap on description. I need to provide the password. So the password to my AD, it was P, which was a capital P. And if we come here, I used the @ I used $2, then I used word plus an exclamation mark. This was the password for AD. And this is the password that I used for all users, including Tom Cruise and our Peter Parker. So I'm going to do OK here, just to save this for future use. And if we come back here to our server, here we've managed to create users on our server. Now, in case you are new to the channel, don't forget to give a thumbs up, even subscribing to my channel, and kudos to everybody, or kudos to you who's watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.